the queen bee came to KiKiLand. Hello, friends! Are you having a party today? Looks like you're enjoying some yummy snacks. Hi, Mimi! Mimi is eating ice cream. Hi there, Ellie! Ellie's having some pizza. And look over there! It's KiKi! She's taking a bite of a strawberry. Hello, Toby! Toby is munching on a cookie. But oh no! The place is getting messy. We should clean up the trash right after eating.
Hey, guys! Do you hear that buzzing sound?
I heard it too.
I'm scared.
Maybe we should start cleaning up? The floor is a mess. Let's pick up the trash before more bugs come. Did you know? If your house is full of food crumbs, hungry bees might come and find it.
And when they find it, they'll take us away. I know that story.
But aren't bees really tiny?
Ellie, tell us more.
A big swarm of bees will push us into their hive. Then, they'll make us find honey for them. They'll even make us cook and bring it to them. And sort the honey jars too, all because the queen bee told them to. Isn't that super scary?
But can we play just a little longer before we clean up?
I'm not so sure.
I still want to play a little bit too.
It smells so sweet in here. I'm so happy.
Oh no, we're running out of honey. The news says all the flowers are gone and withered. That means we need to find something else to eat right now. Follow the sweet smell and break into that house. And since we've got lots of work to do, bring all the kids from that house too.
Come on, everyone. Let's go. Just follow the smell. I smell cake somewhere. It's coming from that house. Let's check it out. This is paradise. Everyone, hurry. This is the place we've been looking for. Let's do what the queen told us. How can a cake sweeter than honey be right in front of me? Let's slurp up the honey and grab the kids.
What are these bees doing here? Is it because we didn't clean up? I was going to clean everything tomorrow.
We were just going to play a little more and then clean up.
Too late! We're taking you with us.
Oh no! KiKi and her friends were having a party, but they didn't clean up their snacks right away. Now the bees have followed the smell and found them. Under the queen bee's orders, they're taking our friends away.
Bring the children here right now. Can't you see we're running out of honey?
I am the queen of golden flight. I rule
Get to
the
work,
hive
worker
by day
bees.
and night. Our honey jars are running low. No time to waste.
Follow that
Now
sweet
off
smell.
you go.
The children must be
Follow the
living where it's
sweet-
coming from.
Follow the smell. Find the house you know.
Let's
it's
go.
well. Candy,
This house
cake,
smells so
and
sweet.
Crumbs. Bring me those with
Yippee! It's like a honey smell heaven. This is sweet. That is sweet. Sweet treats are all over the floor. Let's call more worker bees.
Give all the chores to those children.
There's sweetness hiding everywhere. I smell the treats they didn't clean. That house
Yes,
must be
bring
a
them all
candy
here.
dream. Follow
You're
the
doing a
sweet,
wonderful job.
follow the smell, fly through
How did I end up
windows,
here?
ring the bell, find the ones
Mopping
who
sticky honey
love
off the
the
floor.
treat. We'll put them straight to work.
Now I have to gather honey and give it to her?
Ah, don't chase me. Okay, calm down. I'll help too. So, this is how you make the honey soup, right?
Whisk them in. Don't be late. Make them scrub
Everything is
and
so sticky.
circulate.
Cleaning is so hard.
Sweep the floor.
Excuse me, let me through.
Jar by jar.
This is exactly what I wanted. Good job, my little worker bees.
Follow the smell.
Why do you keep pushing me?
They'll serve us well.
Why did you bring me here? Let me go.
With glee to clean and haul our precious honey.
Give all the chores to those children. We need more honey, and we're short on workers. Hurry, go collect honey right now.
KiKi and her friends are in big trouble. What will happen to the kids?
Oh, these honey jars are too heavy. Do I have to carry them every day? Oh no, I should have cleaned up right after snack time.
I want to go back home and play with my friends again. But this honey here tastes kinda good.
If only we cleaned up right away. None of this would have happened. How long do I have to keep doing all this never-ending work? I'm so tired of putting labels on all these honey jars. We need Lulu. Lulu, please help us. Where are you? Can you hear me?
If you had a fun party, you have to clean up right after eating. The bees came to KiKi's house because they were so hungry and followed the sweet smell. But I can't believe the queen bee took all the kids and made them do such hard work. When the kids come back home, we need to make sure they clean everything so the bees won't come again tomorrow. Lulu, Sparkle, and Zoom. To KiKiLand now! You're back, everyone. Let's sing and clean together. Follow me. I'll teach you how to do it right.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay,
Okay.
Let's sing together. After snack time, we always clean up right away, okay?
Snacks are fun, we had our treat. Crumbs and sprinkles at our feet. But if we leave the mess around, bugs and bees come sniffing down. Clean up every day. Clean up right away. Clean up Juice on chairs and crumbs on mats.
What's
Sticky
happening?
hands and chocolate splats. If we wait and don't clean fast, that
What
sweet
is
smell
going
just
on
might
here?
last. Clean up every day. Clean up right away. Clean up here, clean up there. Clean up everywhere. Sweep the floor and wipe the chair. Pick up trash from here and there. Mop it slow, then make it dry. Wave the mess a big goodbye. Clean up every day. Clean up right away. Clean up here, clean up there. Clean up everywhere.
All the sweet smells are gone. I'm gonna get swept up by that broom. Where did all the yummy crumbs go? This can't be real.
What? They don't have any more sweets either? What are we going to do now?
I'm so hungry. How long do we have to stay hungry?
Friends, do you want to help the bees? They love honey, but all the flowers are gone. Let's plant some flowers together.
I'll plant the seeds.
I'll cover them with dirt.
I'll give them water. That's what I do best.
Great job, everyone!
The flowers are growing in the sunshine.
Look! Tiny green leaves are popping up.
The soil smells fresh and happy.
The bees are coming back.
Thank you! You brought life back to the meadow.
You all did a wonderful job today. I'm so proud of you.
What? The same kids we made work helped us? Impossible.
Did you enjoy today's story? When we don't clean up after eating, hungry bees might come looking for the sweet smell. So what should we do next time? That's right! Let's clean up right after snack time. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The story is ending. More stories are coming soon. See you next time.